Hey guys, Michelle True here and welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to talk to you about MickeyLoot and our move to our new home. Let's go check it out. Now let's get down to what's inside this box. I already kind of opened it so in this box you'll see that there's this. I decided you can actually either have this in the box or not have this in the box, and it tells you what's in the box as well as how much each item costs. I did that so I can see what the retail value of the box is versus how much I paid, and obviously caution spoiler. Now, I paid $75, and in this box, the total is $84.96. 4 of the items are park exclusive items. Now, let's put that aside. And then we have the Christmas card. It's super cute. I think I actually have these cards. Happy holidays from the gang, and we love the Fab Five. Michelle Rivera, wishing you a very Merry Christmas from all of us at MickeyLoot. So, the first item I can see, which I love already, my son's gonna love this. He loves plush dolls. But it's Santa Mickey. Oh my God, this is adorable. I mean, how could you not love Santa Mickey? So this is retails $22.99, and it is a Disney park exclusive, I believe. Now let's go on to the next one. I love that all of them are individually wrapped. It's super awesome that you get a surprise every single time, not just opening the box and everything's in there. And yes, so we bought a 10-foot tree for the very first time because we are in a bigger home now, and we obviously we don't have enough decorations or even lights, and our tree, of course, is a Disney tree, and this, I love it. I mean, I love Jack Skellington, so does my 4-year-old, but we need more ornaments, and this came at a perfect time. Okay, set that guy right there. Let's see, let's go with this one, it's smaller. Oh my God, this is wrapped. That's cool. Ooh, ooh. I was going to purchase these. I love baking. I actually I mean, it's not really baking, but I just made the peppermint ones that you can find at Disneyland, probably at Disney World as well. But the peppermint ones, if you haven't tried them, they're so good. And Disney recently released the recipe for the peppermint wands, and I made them last night and they're so good. But here it says, Baking Spirits Bright. I love this. It's a kitchen towel set. I love it. I can't even, this is perfect for me. It's almost like they read my mind. This is awesome. Okay, I'm gonna set this right over here. There's like nowhere to put that. Okay, now the next item, ooh, that's heavy. So I'm gonna put this box down. So the next item is kind of heavy a little bit. Let's see. It's like it's Christmas for me right now. Just opening my little presents. Oh, Oh, it's in a, oh, look at all the glitter. Awesome, okay. There's glitter everywhere. I am going to need to open this because it's actually taped up. Oh, maybe, here, let's see. Maybe we can fast forward and you can, let's fast forward this, yeah? Oh my gosh. I did not, so you can add a note when you purchase your boxes. I don't have a subscription, by the way. It is a subscription website, but you can do one-time gifts and one-time purchases. And I did not mention that I collect mugs. And there's a mug in here. Obviously, I didn't mention that I love to bake and I love kitchen items either. But oh wow. Wow. This is so cute. I can make my big, like, I can put my hot cocoa in here.
Oh, and you can put your weed in there.
I'm like speechless because I love mugs. And here it says good tidings right here. And in the back, there's Mickey and Minnie on Santa's sleigh. Well, I should say Santa Mickey and Mrs. Minnie Claus. This is also a Disney park exclusive, and it's $19.99. I was just going to make our Disney hot cocoa, and I was thinking to myself, I don't really have a huge mug, and huge meaning like as far as like the circumference, and this would be perfect for when I make my Disney hot cocoa. I'm just like speechless because I love it. This is perfect. This is perfect. I mean, I just, as you can tell, this is what $75 got me. And it's MickeyLoot, 5 stars. Customer service, 5 stars. I love that it's like they curated this box for me, and I didn't even tell them anything about, like I said, my mug collection or my baking, and I love it. It's perfect. Now, like I said, I paid $75, and the total of this box is $84.95. If you haven't tried it yet, I definitely recommend this box. I actually have 2 more boxes coming, and I'll do a video on those, but I definitely recommend MickeyLoot. It is a thumbs up, 5 stars, perfect. Until next time, guys, see ya.